What's going on, YouTube? Happy New Year. It is 2020 and we will be having new things going on. I have a whole lot of information to cover with you guys this year. We're going to try to take it the whole year with more uploads, more sales, e-commerce, more real estate. Got some new stuff going on besides wholesaling, and we're just gonna crack down on everything, guys, and have a great Q1 through 4, and try to get some sales going on and reaching our goals and quota, guys. Because 2020, we are finna make it happen. We are not applying any excuses at all, and like I said, we are going in. So with that said, guys, happy new year. This is Mercari Marcus. I started this channel just last year, and we're gonna keep it rolling. I just basically tell you how to sell things online using different platforms, guys. eBay, Mercari, Amazon, Etsy, Shopify, anything that you would like to know about. I specialize in eBay, Amazon, and Mercari, and that's what I show my detailed videos about. But if you want to talk or ask questions about Etsy, Shopify, or any other of the selling platforms that you can download on your iPhone or your Android or any device you have that allows you to have these apps, just go ahead and download them, try to play around with them, and if you have any questions, you can just leave them down in the comment section below. But first, make sure you guys hit the like button, because that does help with the YouTube algorithm. Make sure you comment, just so we can chat about different topics that you hear in the video. And make sure you subscribe to the page, guys, and hit that bell notification so you can get the newly updated videos that I will be dropping all year. This year, I'm going to try to get more videos and more content out to you guys so you can really get things rolling. For those of you who haven't started but just dabbled a little bit in 2019, this year is the year for you to put it in the gear and get into action, and let's make it happen. I'm sure you guys hear my Mustang engine in the background, but pay no attention to that. As long as you hear me and get the advice and tips that you need and that resonate with you, then you can apply those to your life and get the work, guys. So let's talk about eBay for a little bit. eBay is still doing good. I heard some people say their sales are slowing down in the seller nation, but my sales are pretty good, guys. I did very well for Christmas and on into the New Year's, which is today. I did very good, guys. I had like 10 to 12 packages go out, and it went lovely for me. So I hope everybody is having a wonderful time like I'm having at the end of 2019 and at the beginning of 2020. So like I said, I know a lot of you guys have been working really hard, and it just feels like you're not building any traction, guys. Just stay persistent. Stay persistent. You're just one sale away. You're one deal away. It's like Maxwell says in his mantra. You're one deal away. I just say you're one sale away, guys. Once you sell your first item and know that you can do it, you are going to keep selling. You're going to get the sale bug, as Breaking Profit says. You're going to get the sale bug, guys, and you're going to just keep going and going and going and going with what's going on, whether you're selling online or whatever you're doing. Applying consistency, you will see the results. So let's talk about Mercari for a little bit, guys. So Mercari only charges you 10% after you sell an item. So I love Mercari because, in my opinion, guys, Mercari is better than eBay. And as more people find out about Mercari, it's gonna get better and better. It's an app that basically lets you resell anything, guys. You can use it as a second reference if you're a frequent eBay user. You can use it as a second reference to certain items and see what people are buying certain items for compared to eBay. You might even get a better sale on Mercari, and sometimes it's a lower sale because on Mercari they're more specific. We're looking for deals essentially, and on eBay they're ready to purchase the items that they're specifically looking for. So it's kind of a different dynamic, guys. So, but essentially to the core of it, they're both the same, and you would do great, guys. You would do great if you sell on either of those platforms. So like I said, I will be dropping free information all year just about eBay, Mercari, Amazon, and I still haven't went Amazon FBA. I still love to do FBM, guys. It's just something about filling the package myself and shipping it off, just making sure everything is in tip top notch condition. I just like to know that my customers are getting their item in pristine condition, basically, guys. So like I said, just keep pressing on with whatever you're doing. Watch videos to help you out about different problems that you may have in your business. And if you can't get a video to help you all the way out, look for somebody's course, guys. Don't be afraid to invest in yourself or invest in your business. Essentially, if you get a course and invest in it, and it helps you out, that puts more force behind your business as far as going forward, guys. So just keep that in mind. And I may be, or I am dropping, well, a course, just how to make money online in 2020. Just to help whoever wants to be willing to go out and make some extra money. Extra $500 to $3,000. You can get up to 3,000 or to 1,000 every 3 months. I think you can get around 350 to 500 with the process that I'm telling you about. Just beginning. So, guys, and you gotta have patience when you're doing this business. You can check back on my other videos just so you can see how I go into the Goodwill and just find items to upload on these platforms, guys. And you can do that yourself. And if you need my help, just leave a comment below. I answer questions. I'm pretty active on Facebook and my social media, so just get at me, and I'll give you a response back, and hopefully I have the solution to your problem. If I don't, I would do extensive research to find the solution to your problem if I already haven't been through it myself. So just let's make a community of it and see if we can get more people selling this year, in the year 2020, that may need more money every month. So guys, I'm going to be dropping more information, so don't forget to like, comment, or subscribe to my page so you can get more information about making money in 2020. Thank you.